I haven't really done a slime video in forever, like it's been a year. So I'll be doing a slime video. Yeah, let's get on to it. So the ingredients that you'll be needing for this DIY is a bowl, borax, 1 tablespoon, 1 cup, food colouring which is optional, Elmer's school glue, shaving foam, and a spoon to mix with. First you're going to get your glue and pour the glue into your bowl. It doesn't matter how much glue you put in, just as much glue as you want. The more glue, the more slime. Now you're going to pour some water into your glue bottle so the amount of glue is equal to the amount of water, and shake the glue bottle well so that it gets the extra glue that was still in the bottle. Now pour it into your bowl and mix. Next you're going to get your shaving foam and put as much shaving foam as you like. My shaving foam was running out, so I didn't get to put a lot of shaving foam. After that you can mix it all together. Now we're going to add 1 cup of water into a separate bowl. And then add 1 tablespoon of borax with the water and stir. Keep stirring until the borax is fully dissolved into the water. If the borax is not fully dissolving, then keep adding a bit more water until the borax dissolves. Next, add the activator to the glue mixture slowly and stir until it turns into slime. Once it is slime and you have kneaded it with your hands, add some body lotion to make the slime stretchier. To colour the slime, instead of food colouring, I'll be using a red Sharpie and a yellow Sharpie to create a peachy colour. With the color of your slime, you're done. I really hope this tutorial helped you guys, and if it did, please like this video and comment what other slime videos I should do in the future. If you guys want a shout out in my next video, subscribe to this channel and turn my post notifications on, and then comment done when you're done. Thanks for watching!